guys, it's Young037 and today I'm bringing you how to style and define your natural curls. As the title says, this is not a tutorial how to curl your hair or anything. This is just, if you have curly hair, it's just how to, I guess, style that shit. There's a lot of videos like this out there on YouTube, but everyone's hair is different. And if you got hair like me, I didn't see too many curly hair videos for people like me, hair like this, so figured I'd make one. So I think there's 3 essential things you need, like in general, for curly hair, and that's all in your shower, right? You're gonna need a good shampoo without any sulfates. You're gonna need a good conditioner without any sulfates. I don't know what sulfates are, but like I've heard they're bad for your hair. And you're gonna need a comb to detangle that shit, cause like that shit gets, you know. Best results, you're just gonna have to work with it in the shower, take more time with your hair. You're gonna start with the shampoo. I use Art Naturals Argan Oil shampoo. You know, most other shampoos, they kind of make my hair feel dry, like stuck together. This one leaves it nice, kind of shiny, very flowy, so I mess with this one. You gotta apply the shampoo mostly to your scalp. That's where it's needed for the most. You're gonna have a dry scalp. I personally have a pretty dry scalp. Then you're gonna need conditioner. The way I apply conditioner, I started at the the tips of my hair, just work it up, and then you're gonna need your comb, right? I personally prefer the wide tooth comb a lot more over a comb like this. First of all, if I use this side, like I pull out a lot of my hairs. This side I can do with, and only comb your hair in the shower. Don't comb your hair anywhere else, or it's just gonna end up frizzy. When I comb it with this side, like the curls just end up really, really thin. I prefer using this. It doesn't pull on my hair as much, it's nicer. So do it like after you apply the conditioner. Like your hair should become almost straight. Just like bend a little at the tip. That's how mine is. How you comb your hair in the shower is honestly, for me, it's a really essential way on how my hair is gonna dry. Of course, with curly hair, it's just gonna dry however it feels. Every day it looks different. Wind can mess it up. Sometimes weather messes with it, gets frizzier than usual. But combing it, if you comb it right in the shower, it tends to give better results. Just wet my hair real quick and show you how to comb it, just to make it look nice. Alright, so the first step I like to do is I comb all my hair forward. I'm just trying to get out like any big knots, anything like that. So I wet it and I just completely comb everything forward. Like I said, this is just to get all the knots out. And after I'm done with that, I'll try to comb it with the middle part. This is the way you're gonna want it to dry, so I do that. You're just combing your hair is good. After that, I like to comb my hair upwards. The reason I do this is when it dries, it gives it the most volume, at least for me. So this is what I usually do. Also, when you're doing this, you're also gonna run into some knots. You're always gonna have knots in your hair once it starts getting long. Like, if you have a knot, and don't try to force your comb through it, because that's gonna pull out your hair. Just be gentle with your hair. It'll come out eventually. Just be careful with it. Make sure you comb everything up. As you can see, my hair is becoming more voluminous. And after you're done with that, all you gotta do is just put your hair right back in the water, and the curls should be coming back a little. That's about it. After you shower, you also want to let it drip dry. That's what I do. My hair is getting long now, so it's just like it's dripping. Sometimes it gets in my cereal and shit, but like it is what it is. But if you want, take a t-shirt and just like squeegee the end of it, just get like the excess water out, or you can just shake your hair. That works for me too. But don't take the towel and just go crazy with it, you know. Makes my hair kind of look like a bird's nest or something. It looks very huge and voluminous. If you're going for the voluminous look, it's not bad. But another thing I like to apply is coconut oil. I like to apply it all over my hair completely, like push it back, and then I'll put a little towel on my pillow and just sleep with it overnight and shampoo it out the next day. It really hydrates your hair, leaves it looking shiny, very flowy, feels lighter, kind of thinner. Good for the volume. If you're Indian, like I'm sure you're gonna have this in your house. Even if you're not, it's pretty cheap. I recommend it. I think it's called deep conditioning or something like that, but it really helps your hair. Alright, so another thing is I don't really use any products for my hair. It's just because the only product I've really tried is this Cantu Shea Butter. It does in fact make my hair more curly. That is true, but my hair is already naturally oily, so adding this to it, it really didn't make my hair feel nice, you know. So I just prefer no products, you know. Water's all I need. But that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my curly hair routine. Well, guys, if you like this video, be sure to like it, throw me a sub. I don't know what else I'm going to post on this channel, but I have it now. This is where I'm going to post non-music related stuff. But if you enjoyed it, like I said, thumbs up, give me a sub. Any questions, comment them down, I'll answer them. But I'll catch y'all later.